Thank you, Madam. I address this House on the issue of left-wing extremism, a challenge that has tested not only our internal security but also our commitment to inclusive development and social justice. Let us very outset, I would like to submit that our objectives must be clear and comprehensive. We must not only eliminate extremism but also eliminate the conditions that give rise to it. Madam, left-wing extremism cannot be seen in isolation, but it's not merely a law and order problem. It is deeply connected with the deprivation, underdevelopment, and lack of access to the basic governance, particularly in tribal and remote areas. Madam, there is no denying that the country has made significant progress. Violent incidents has reduced nearly 90% compared to the past. The geographical spread has been shrunk from 120 districts to around a dozen today. Many previously inaccessible areas are now connected with the roads, telecoms, and banking services. This progress reflects a clear and consistent national approach that is combining security measures with the developing initiatives. But, Madam, if we are to achieve lasting solution, we must go deeper. In several affected areas, the communities have faced historical negligence. There have been concerns related to land rights, livelihood opportunities, and displacement, access to education, healthcare, and justice delivery systems are still limited. These gaps create a sense of alienation, which gives the scope for exploitation in innocent tribes. Let us be clear, ma'am. Violence is never be justified, but is ignoring the underlying issues will only prolong the problem. Madam, our approach must rest on strong pillars of development. Let us focus on the root causes. Let us ensure land and forest rights for the tribal communities. Let us expand the livelihood and employment opportunities like revoking GO number 3, which improves the employment and connect the students due to localization. Let us strengthen the local governance like PESA Act and service delivery like in Andhra Pradesh during a YSRCP government with the village level volunteers and Sachvalaya model. Let us improve access to the education like Amma Odi and Nadu Nedu initiatives which ensure the quality education. Let us improve healthcare systems and family doctor scheme where the Doli Mota is still exists. Let us work and make policies to change the ground level reality, but not in the paper, but in reality. Ma'am, if we truly want to end the left-wing extremism, we must ensure that development teaches the last mile, but just not on the paper, but in reality. We must ensure the governance is responsive, transparent, and accountable. We must ensure local communities are partners in the progress, but not passive recipients. We must ensure the youth is affected areas see future in opportunity, but not conflict conclusion. Madam, fight against the left-wing extremism is not just about eliminating the armed groups. It is about strengthening the bonds between state, country, with its citizens. When justice is acceptable, when development is inclusive, when dignity is ensured, extremism loses its ground. Let us therefore commit ourselves not only to end the violence, but building the system where violence finds no space to emerge. That alone will be the truth and lasting violence. Thank you, ma'am.
Singh.